Well, right now, 5 o'clock, Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita will go before the Indiana Supreme Court to face charges of misconduct. The court's disciplinary commission filed charges against Rokita today.
The commission claims Rokita violated rules of professional conduct and, in one instance, state law in his comments regarding an Indiana doctor. CBS 4's Hannah Adamson explains more.
The accusations against Attorney General Todd Rokita stem from his investigation into Indiana physician Dr. Caitlin Bernard. The disciplinary commission argues some comments he made during that investigation could be grounds for disciplinary action.
Hoosiers themselves respect and value all lives.
Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita is in hot water with the Indiana Supreme Court's disciplinary commission following comments he made about abortion care provider Dr. Caitlin Bernard. If the court agrees, Rokita could face a number of sanctions.
It could be anything from a reprimand to some suspension of the license.
Rokita had investigated Dr. Bernard last year after she performed an abortion on a 10-year-old Ohio rape victim. Court documents show on July 13th of last year, Rokita referred to Dr. Bernard on national television as a, quote, abortion activist acting as a doctor with a history of failure to report. The commission argues Rokita failed to respect Dr. Bernard's rights and made prejudicial statements publicly.
He chose, if again these allegations are correct, to engage in professional misconduct that was prejudicial to the administration of justice.
The commission also says Rokita made several public comments before he filed a complaint to the Indiana Medical Licensing Board, violating state law. Court documents referencing multiple media appearances, including an interview CBS 4 News conducted with Rokita in September 2022.
She filed the TPR, the pregnancy report. There's nothing to see here. Well, there's a lot to see.
In response, the Attorney General's office argues Rokita only spoke on non-confidential matters, saying in part, quote, the comments were consistent with his duties as an elected official who answers to the public. An official hearing date has yet to be released. Meanwhile, attorneys for Dr. Bernard say they are keeping a close eye on the commission's process and say they will, quote, let the complaint speak for itself. Reporting in the newsroom, Hannah Adamson, CBS 4 News.
It's day 4 of